Welcome to our training on how to get started with transparency. A brand's reputation is central to its business. Many brands who advertise their products take steps to avoid negative brand associations. For example, they make sure web pages displaying their ads don't include content that contradicts their brand's values or messaging. In the same way, brands take steps to ensure counterfeits aren't associated with their business. With Transparency's product serialization service, you and your customers can be confident that your products are authentic regardless of who fulfills them. This helps promote positive brand associations and maintain valuable customer trust. In this video, we'll share Transparency's eligibility requirements and use cases, and provide an overview of the steps you'll complete after enrolling in the program. If you're new to Transparency, we recommend you first watch the Introduction to Transparency video in Seller University for more information on what the program includes and how it works. Then return to this training to kick off the Transparency onboarding process. Let's start by reviewing Transparency's eligibility requirements. You must have already enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry with a government-registered trademark. You must also have a Global Trade Item Number or GTIN for each of the products you'd like to enroll. Common examples of GTINs are UPC, ISBN, or EAN codes. If you haven't completed these steps, refer to the description below this video in Seller University. You'll find resources on how to enroll in Amazon Brand Registry and how to obtain a GTIN for your products. You can choose to enroll some or all of your products in Transparency. You must apply unique transparency codes to each unit of these products, regardless of sales channel or country of final destination. Without these codes, Amazon and your customers won't be able to verify the authenticity of your products. Now let's review Transparency use cases. You've just learned that verifying your product's authenticity is central to Transparency. Transparency codes also support version protection. If you have multiple product variations to meet your customers' needs, the program can help ensure accurate products are received despite differences such as color, materials, or compatibility. You can also use your product's unique transparency codes to engage with your customers. Customers use the Amazon Shopping app and the Transparency app to scan the transparency codes you've affixed to your products. They'll use these codes to confirm that the item is authentic and review any additional details you provide. For example, you might share an ingredients list or the product's manufacturing location and date. Certain brands also use Transparency for strengthening their business partnerships. For example, by eliminating counterfeits, they're protecting the intellectual property of not only their own brand, but also of those they work with. All brands follow the same onboarding steps, regardless of their use case for enabling transparency protection. We'll review an overview of the process now, then share step-by-step instructions on how to complete each task in the videos immediately following this one. Here's how the onboarding process works. After you confirm your brand's eligibility and enroll it in Transparency, you'll choose which of your products you'd like to enroll in the program. Then, you'll complete the quality assurance process. This key step ensures you've defined your operational workflow from start to finish. You'll choose how you plan to apply unique codes to your products, whether designing the codes directly into your product's packaging or printing and applying stickers or labels. Next, for each of the products you've enrolled, you'll order transparency codes and apply them to all units. We'll grant the brand registry rights owner access to the self-service transparency portal, which they'll use to place an order for these codes. After the rights owner receives them, they can either share your codes with a transparency service provider or TSP who will print them for you, print them in-house, or integrate the codes directly into each unit's packaging. For more information about these methods, refer to the third training video in this series, Transparency Step 2. Choose integration types and application methods in Seller University. After you've ordered and applied your transparency codes, you'll complete the Operational Performance Review Process, or OPR. OPR is a checkpoint to ensure each transparency enrolled unit is accurately labeled. You and other resellers you've associated with your brand must provide unique and correct transparency codes for all enrolled items from this point forward. During OPR, Amazon monitors your own shipments and those of these approved sellers. We'll verify whether each labeled item features the correct 2D transparency data matrix code. OPR also includes a sell-through period. This is the time frame your product's resellers have until they must comply with the transparency labeling requirements. We'll turn on transparency for each product after their sell-through period ends and they pass OPR. Going forward, you and resellers who have been associated with your brand can prove your product's authenticity and accuracy from listing to delivery and help ensure customers receive the precise item they ordered. You'll also have access to the Transparency Monthly Performance Report to review transparency data. Use this information to measure performance or inform future changes. For example, you can check the following items: notices of suspected counterfeit infringement, rejected listing attempts from other sellers who were unable to provide valid transparency codes, and unsuccessful code scans. This concludes our overview video on how to get started with transparency. Now you're ready to kick off the transparency onboarding process. Watch our step-by-step transparency video series in Seller University to learn how to complete each of the onboarding steps we covered in this training. To begin, search for Transparency Step 1, Enroll your brand and products in Seller University. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.